Are your notifications overwhelming and cluttering your screen? Let's clean them up by enabling minimize notification. This is a smart setting that groups less important alerts at the bottom of your notification panel without turning them off completely. Here's how to do it on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Notification, tap Advanced Setting, tap Filter Notification. Now enable Minimize Notification. When this option is on, your phone will filter notifications that have been set to minimize in its app notification category setting. And that's it. From now on, those quieter alerts won't flood your main screen. Instead, they will stay tucked neatly at the bottom, so you can check them only when you need to. Minimize notification help you focus on what matters, while still keeping track of less important updates right from your notification panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.